In today's video, let's talk about how to use Gemini AI for writing. Whether you're trying to write essays, blogs, or even social media posts, Gemini AI can help you draft, edit, and polish these content. Let's say, for example, if you're trying to write a blog and you need ideas in generating topics. In order to generate topics, you can write in something like give me 10 blog topics about, and then you can add in the niche. So this way you can filter out the blog topics that you like and the topics that you don't like. Secondly, what you can also do is if you like a certain topic that it has provided, you can draft an entire outline. This way you can take a look at the content that could go inside this particular topic. Not only this, if you want to generate certain sections, for example, if you want to generate a outline for this particular blog, you can also ask Gemini to do that. Lastly, you can use Gemini for grammar and flow as well to check if your blog has any issues with grammar or the overall flow. So these are the few examples that you can use Gemini AI for writing. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today. I'll see you in the next one.